Welcome, guys. So we have questions here that we are supposed to solve. Let's see how we can solve or work out these three questions. These questions are coming from the topic called Algebra, which is a grade 10 topic according to our syllabus in Zambia. So we can start with the first question that is asking us to factorize this question. How do we factorize this question? So you're supposed to look at this question and think of, okay, what am I supposed to do here? So when you're factorizing this question, first of all, when you look at it, you discover that y is common. So when you factorize y, you will remain with y squared minus 4. And at your level in grade 10, you'll have learned different types of different methods of factorization, of which a difference of 2 squares is one of them. So when you look at what we have in the brackets, you'll actually be able to connect and realize that you can further factorize this question using a difference of 2 squares. What do I mean? You need to say y squared minus, you rewrite this 4 as 2 squared. When you do that, then now you have also to recall what you'll have learned on how to factorize a difference of 2 squares, which will be y. You are going to have 2 factors. This will be the answer to our first question. This will be the answer to our first question. I hope you got this one, and there's no problem here. So we can look at the second question. We can look at the second question. So when you look at the second question here, this is very simple. I would actually bring it this side. I'll put the first part here and say multiplication, then I put the other one here. So we are going to start with 7. When you look at 7 and 28, 7 can go into 7 how many times? Once. Then 7 into 28, how many times? 4. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Then I'll move to A. This A goes with the other one down here. Then the B, here we have got 1B, and then here we've got 2B. So 1B will remain down here. And then here there will be a C also, which doesn't have a partner. Then we gum the other side. We look at 18 and 27. What number can go into these two numbers? The highest number is 9, which we call the highest common what? Factor. 9 into 18, it's 2. 9 into 27, it's 3. Then look at x. We have our x here, which will go with that one. The y here, 1y. Then here will remain with the y squared. At the same time, we have z. We have what? Z. Take note. We have z here. You have to be very careful here. Even myself, as I'm doing it, it's possible I may end up skipping something. Then the next step now, you check. Do we still have anything that is common? Yes. 2 and 4 here. 2 and 4. So you can say 2 here, it's 1. 2 here, it's what? It's 2. Then you end up now with 1c, then 3z multiplied by y squared over 2b. All right? When you work out this, it will give you c y squared over 6bz. If I've missed anything, you're free to write in the comments below so that we have something correct. Okay. So let us look at the last one, which is very simple. The last one is always very, very simple, ladies and gentlemen. Last one is always very simple for us. So let's do the last one together. Okay. Let's do the last one together. If we do the last one together, you will know that this is a fraction. These are fractions, what we call algebraic fractions. So the first thing that we're supposed to do is to find what we call the lowest common multiple, which will be these same factors. We'll get these same factors. This one, we'll get it here. So we'll have 3 plus y, and this other one, which is 2y plus 7. Okay, this is our common factor now, our lowest common multiple, sorry. So when we divide our lowest common multiple with this one, the whole thing here, if the whole thing, when we divide it by 3 plus x, you will discover that it will go, this 3 plus x will cancel with it. So we'll end up remaining with it 2y plus 7. So 2y plus 7 has to be multiplied by this 2 here. So I have 2y plus 7 minus 1. Then when you do the other thing, you discover that you remain with the 3 plus y. At that point, just work out with the numerator and simplify, which will be 4y plus 14 minus 3 plus y over 3y plus 2y 7. When you put the like terms together here, you will discover that you're going to have 4y plus y plus 14 minus 3 over 3 plus y 2 plus 7. Okay, then finally we can say now have 5y plus 11, yeah, over 3 plus y, then 2, this is 2y plus 7. This is what must be your answer. Okay, I hope we did it well, and you will be able to manage to work this out. Thank you so much. Please, these are the things that you're supposed to do, especially if you're preparing for grade 12 exam.